Hi, Rena. The belly is really heavy with the crawling. Um, Looking still at that right leg. Sorry, is it the right? Left leg dragging. And then just the belly. Yes, I get it. They're pulling up to standing. Don't let them miss the crawling part. Also note in standing that that right foot is really curling. I don't see enough of the standing to see it that self-resolves, but you know what I mean? There's a lot of muscles and push and effort going on for a simple milestone. So I still don't think you're coming to sitting through the back. That's going to be your main goal. And sitting and working on the crossing of the midline, because the crawl is too wide, you know what I mean? And it's not through the spine, it's off. So I know it's probably going to be too early to get a hip x-rays, but just keep an eye on that. But we need to get that lift off that stomach, that belly. And it's just dragging. And like I said, you don't want to miss that. I get it that we want the milestones, but we want the milestones. And the crawl is just, it's just off. Work on the spine, work on that heavy belly, but that is your objective with that. The belly is just, there's something going on that it's just making the back end of the crawl just too hard to do. Thanks.